This guide walks you through how to use Copy My Data to ensure a smooth transition of your essential files. We will cover what this tool is, step-by-step instructions on how it works, some useful tricks to enhance your experience, user reviews to provide insight into its performance. Part 1. What is Copy My Data? Copy My Data, a Wi-Fi transfer application. Users transfer such items as contacts, calendar events, photos, and videos between devices over an internet connection. It simplifies moving data between phones, even across different operating systems. Part 2. How to copy my data for iPhone to Android transfers. Install and open Copy My Data on both devices. Grant permissions and click Next on your iPhone. Select to or from another device over Wi-Fi. Choose your Android device. Enter the PIN on your Android phone. Select Data and click Next. Part 3. How to use Copy My Data for Android to iPhone transfers. Install and open the app on both devices. On Android, select to or from another device over Wi-Fi. Select your iPhone. Tap Copy Data. Enter the PIN on iPhone. Choose Files and click Next. Choose Files and click Any. Part 4. Copy My Data tips and tricks. Same Wi-Fi required. Update app. Restart. Stable internet. Clear cache or data. Grant permissions. Reinstall app. Disable battery optimization. Check system updates. Part 5. Copy My Data reviews. The good. Available for free download and use. It makes it easy for users to navigate and transfer files between devices. Data transfer between devices running different operating systems. Prioritizes the security of transferred data. The bad. Full screen unavailable. Flooded with ads. Long time waiting. Subscription is uncancelable. Unexpected crash. Part 6. Best Copy My Data alternative. It is imperative to opt for more cost-effective, user-friendly, and high-performing Copy My Data alternatives. In light of this, Mobican Transfer for mobile Windows and Mac emerges as your best bet. Step 1. Download and install. Click to download and install the program. Opt for the trial version for a free trial. Step 2. Connect. Use USB cables to connect both devices to your PC. Use Flip if needed. Step 3. Transfer. Select data types and click Start Copy to transfer.